What's up guys, welcome back once again to the reviews. Today I'm going to be looking at the Silent Wings 4 fans from Be Quiet. These are 120mm PWM high speed fans for static pressure. So I'm going to be sticking them on my Silent Loop 360. I've got 3 of these and I'll be testing them to see how well they perform against the standard Silent Wings that are on the Silent Loop. So let's get into it. So as I said in the intro, these are the Silent Wings 4 120mm PWM high speed fans from Be Quiet. These are the newest fans they've done. These are high-end fans, so let's take a quick look over the box and see what the specs are, and then we'll unbox them, give a quick look at them, and then we'll get them installed. These are high-speed fans, 2500 RPM, a noise level of 31.2, an airflow of 76.7 CFM, and an air pressure of 3.96, so the very high air pressure meant for radiators and things like that, and 4-pin PWM standard connection fans. So just have a quick look at what you get in the box. You get a little accessory pack. I'm not sure what's going to be in here, but we'll have a quick look. You get some screws. You get some sort of push mounts if you want to use those instead of screws. And you also get 4 anti-vibration sort of fittings for the corners of the fans. And then the fan itself. So this is the fan itself. With Be Quiet, as always, they feel absolute quality, and they're really heavy as standard, which is normal Be Quiet. They've got standard sort of Be Quiet fan fin types with these sort of slots on them. Obviously lots of blades on these because these are high static pressure fans. And then you've got these sort of rubber mounts in the corner which can come off and be replaced with the standard mounts. So you can use these with the standard ones that are on there. Or you can take them off and put the normal sort of corners on as well. And then you've got sort of nice braided cable, sort of sleeved cable, and a PWM 4-pin connection. That's all there is pretty much to look at them. Like I say, they're solid, no hubble whatsoever. Feel really good, really well made as per usual with Be Quiet. So we'll get these installed and we'll basically see how they perform. Right, so we've got the Silent Wings 4 installed. Like I say, we'll put on my Silent Loop 360, Silent Loop 2 360 from Be Quiet as well, and it is absolutely a great cooler, really good. Now the standard fans it comes with are the Silent Wings 3, so basically it's a Silent Wings 3 versus Silent Wings 4 standoff. So we basically see how they performed from Silent Wings 3 to the Silent Wings 4. Now the Silent Wings 3 have 7 blades, whereas the Silent Wings 4 have 11 blades. And obviously spin a lot faster. These are only up to 1500 RPM, I believe, whereas they go up to 2500. I'll say I've done thermal testing. All I've done is the Cinebench R23. I did it at 5 minutes on multi-core, just to test, give me an easy test to do, to sort of give you the real-world performance of how good these are. And I've run them both at 100%. Now, in terms of the results, there's not a lot in it, to be honest with you. Not a lot at all. The results we got, so an idle on the Silent Wings 3 we got at 29 degrees, we got an average of 55 over the whole run and a maximum of 58, and on the Silent Wings 4 we got an idle of 28, so just 1 degree difference, an average of 54, 1 degree difference, and a maximum of 57, 1 degree difference. So there's not a great deal in them in terms of max speed on this cooler. So I mean, yes, they are great fans, but so are these. So Be Quiet, yeah, you shouldn't have made these as good. However, these fans are obviously better and they are going to perform better. They are a little bit louder because obviously they run a lot faster at full speed, but obviously at the same sort of speeds, there's not really much in it at all. Right, so following this testing, I did them at full speed originally. As I said, there wasn't a big difference, about 1 degree between them all. So I then decided basically it's probably best for me to run these Silent Wing 4s at the highest speed that these Silent Wing 3s go, so 1500 RPM, to give it sort of a better comparison as to how they perform. Now the results were a little bit higher with these. We're looking at an idle of 30, an average of 56, and a maximum of 59. So they were a little bit higher. However, at 1500 RPM, I assume it's because they've got more blades on them. These Silent Wings 4 are so much quieter than these are at full speed. So you're not getting a massive amount of extra performance out of the SilentWings 4 in terms of the top sort of cooling they can do at full speed, but you are being able to get the same performance at a lot lower noise level. So these aren't going to ramp up as quickly, depending obviously how you set your fan curve. They're not going to sound as loud, but obviously if you want to run them at full speed, you'll get the full maximum performance out of them. And it might depend on sort of what you're running them on as well. If you're running them on an actual radiator for a sort of a closed loop, sorry, an open loop, a custom loop, then you may find a better sort of difference on them than you would with these. But like I say, in terms of the overall performance of them, they are better at full speed. They are much higher RPM and they've got more blades, but at the same sort of speed, so lower speeds, like the SilentWings 3, you're getting the same performance, maybe a little bit less, but at a much quieter level than you would with these or other fans similar to these. So yeah, that's basically my conclusion on these. Absolute great fans. I'm not sure the pricing of these. I think they're around £25 each, so they're not cheap, but they are a high performance fan. As you can see, the results are great anyway for Cinebench. Not getting over 60 degrees is pretty good. But obviously that's the cooler as well itself. But yeah, like I say, absolutely great fans. As with everything Be Quiet I've tested, I am quite a Be Quiet fan, but this is my honest review. They are absolutely fantastic, as per usual with Be Quiet stuff. So if you're looking for some high performance fans, and you're not too bothered about RGB, if you are, go for the Lightwings, they're great as well. Then these are definitely one to consider. Like I say, great performance, lower noise levels for the same performance, if not a little bit less. So yeah, if you're looking for high performance fans, then definitely check these out. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a nice short one just to get through the performance of these, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and give me a comment in the comments section below, and I'll leave all the links in there for you as well. So I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.